everyone, Linda here again from Gumnut Lane Jewellery. I've got another link for you today. It's a really simple one. It's actually probably more of an idea than it is an actual technique. But if you're a beginner, then it's a technique for you. But for all my other viewers, as I said, it's an idea. I'll just grab all my supplies, get them together, and I'll get back with you. Okay, back with you. So I'll give you a look at the link we're going to be making today. So this is the link we're going to be making. As I said, it's very, very simple, but it's a beautiful link. It just looks lovely in a necklace or a bracelet. Okay, so what we're going to be needing, I'm using some 18 gauge wire in copper. You can use whatever you like, totally up to you. We're going to be using this little gizmo. Well, I'm going to be using this little gizmo here to make some jump rings, some coils. I've had this thing for a while and couldn't figure out how to use it, and I finally figured it out. So if you've got it, then by all means use it, and if you don't have it, I'll show you how it works. So we're going to pull off some wire. It's still attached to the spool. If I can get this onto the camera. And if you look up through there, you can see there's a couple of holes there. So I'm going to go through one of those holes with my wire, like that, and I'm just going to make a bend on top, like that. Change hands. Make sure you've got enough white wound off that you can work easily with it. Alright, this is a little bit hard here, bit of a tight area for me. Okay, so we're just going to, as I said again, underneath this camera makes it awfully hard. Okay, hold on to that. Get this started. There we go. And I'm just going to wind. I don't worry about getting them too close together. They're jump rings, so probably would have been easier if I had wound it. You can wind either way. It would have been easy for me to wind the other way, but of course it's me. I do everything the hard way. So as you can see, I'm just winding that. I'm getting some coils there. I'll just do a few of these just so we can get our chain going. Okay, that should be enough. And I'll just grab my cutters. And I'm just going to cut that wire. And then all you do is just straighten this wire out here and you can pull your coils off. So that's really easy. Now if you don't have something like this and you want to make the same size jump ring, well, I'll just measure here the width of this jump ring, and then hopefully that'll help you. This works out at, so the diameter is 5 millimeters. So it's only a small one. Is it 5 or 4? From the outer edge of the jump ring to the outer edge of the other side of the jump ring is 5 millimeters. So if that helps you out, I hope it does. Okay, so we've got that little coil made. Now we're going to make some of the bigger ones. So I'm going to flush cut my wire. And I'm going to use my 6-step mandrel here. And I'm using this size on the mandrel here. So the one below your smallest one. Okay, I'm just going to make some coils with that. should do. And just grabbing my cutters again. I'm cutting that one. Okay, so now we're going to make our jump rings. So that one's already flush cut, so I'm flush cutting the other side of it. I'll find the end of it now. Come here. Okay, there we go. It's got 4 of those, 5 of those. I'm just going to close these ones up. Getting a nice close on them. Oops, come here. Trying to escape. Wants to join all its friends on the floor. Okay, they're nicely closed. Let's grab my hammer and my metal hammer and block. And we're just going to give those a bit of a pound, not too much. And last one. Okay, that can go away. Alright, just going to check. Quite often when you hammer, the things will they'll open back up again, which mine have. So just make sure they're closed up properly. Lucky last. Okay, we've got those, so just set those to the side. Now we're going to do our smaller jump rings here. I can't see if that one's flush cut, so I'll just do it again just to make sure. Okay, how many have I got there? 2, 4, 6, 8. That might do. Let's see how we go. Okay, so now it's very easy from here on in. Anybody can do this, but if you're a beginner, I guess you might not have seen something like this before. So we're just joining one of. So we're just going to close this jump ring. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to pop another one in there. Ah, dear. So putting 2 together, closing that one up. Getting that nice and tightly closed. We're going to pop another one in. Closing that one up. Picking up another one of your small ones. Popping that through. Then one of the larger ones. Popping that onto the small one. Closing that up. Picking up another small one. Popping that through both of the larger ones. Closing that one up. Another small one. We'll just do one more and that should be enough. Oops, I nearly forgot to put another large one on there then. And one more. Have to open that one up a little bit more. Okay, what do I do then? Around that way. There we go. And closing that up. Okay. So that's our little link. I think it's really nice. You can let me know down below in the comments what you think, whether you like it or whatever. I'll just show you a little variation here that you can do. In this one here, I added in, if I can get that straight, there we go, some larger ones just as a bit of interest along the chain that's attached to this pendant here. There we go, got that unhooked. So it looks lovely, doesn't it, on the pendant. So that's just another idea for you for another link for a chain. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like down the bottom. Leave a comment if you'd like to, Any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll get back to you if I can help you out. Other than that, everyone have a lovely day and stay safe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye everybody.